from Tijuana, Mexico. Yes, this is day 23,037 of me being a man, although part of that time I was called a boy, but I'm currently a man. I actually figured it out. There's a computer program. You could do that. It's not a slam on that beer drinking commercial. Right. Okay. So I'm here with Tammy. Hello, my dear. Now, what part of the world do you hail from?
From originally Chicago, but I live in Los Angeles down the road.
Okay. Now, what brought you down?
3 hours. What brought me here is a very dear friend of mine started going to your practice down in Laguna? Huntington Beach. I always get mixed up. Huntington Beach. And she just raved about you. And I've always had I have a son who's special needs.
He's a very cool guy.
Very cool guy.
Yeah.
And we've always been challenged with health care for him. And I just said, you know what, I'm going to go down and see if he'll go along with the program. And it's the first time, if we've gone into a building that looked like a medical building, he wouldn't go in. That's how fearful he was.
Really? Because he's totally cool here.
Oh, no. Not only is he totally cool, but we've been challenged with him getting blood work, with him doing anything medical. He flops down on this table for adjustments, loves it. We get multiples in a day. But the biggest thing is that we were able to get his dental. We were able to get stem cell treatment, and they've been amazing here. They have gifted us so much for him because you're just amazing people here. I mean, we just call you guys like angels, like seriously, every single person.
It's soon. It's genuine.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
And I'm not just saying, it's really, this is a second home for us. This is my 4th trip down here. And I've brought more and more family each time I come. But I will say my son Talon is, I mean, it's just been a blessing because he's had so many services done. He's had, all of his blood work, all of the things that we haven't been able to get done for years, we're getting done. And he's getting it tested.
It is totally cool. When you look at special needs kids, these are kids under stress. And I mean, I'm talking kids, 20 years old.
Yeah,
okay?
25. He's a young man.
Yeah, so it's literally they're in that fight or flight state. Anytime you can get them out of that stress state into a normal parasympathetic, that's a miracle.
No. He trusty, but he has an intuitive sense too. Like he knows if it's something that's good for him. Because he was like not into it at first, but then once he got here and trusted, then he just opened up to everything. So that speaks.
That's a God thing.
Yes.
I mean,
yes.
We always say, I move the bone, God does the healing, because the body is more energy than matter. And okay, I mean, so you've been taking charge of his health, because a lot of times doctors don't tell you to do anything other than, drugs, medication, pop a pill, put him in a place, whatever.
Right.
Yeah, you're not doing that.
No. He doesn't take any meds.
So who do we blame? Your great-grandparents, your grandparents? Who gave you this bite? I mean, because it's what it takes. A buddy of mine just got married to Cal, who's got a 10-year-old special needs kid. And it's a job, but God is bless you. Unfortunately.
Thank you.
Yeah, hon, we're going to change this world.
Yes, we are. Yes.
Okay. Now, what could you tell somebody with because
I would say, especially if you're challenged with a special needs adult or child, like I am, I would say that you should, and not just special needs, for anybody. I mean, my whole family. I have a brother who suffered from a stroke as well, who's come down here, and he's been helped. But just come and experience it. That's all I can say. Come and experience it. What you would spend for a complete evaluation from head to toe, $350.
It's ridiculous.
Everything. The live blood analysis alone is just mind blowing, because when you see that, I mean, you see in real time what's happening with your body, with your own blood, and you give an explanation of everything that's going on with your body in real time. It's priceless.
Yeah, I want to put that in the schools so bad, because I mean, when you see the tiniest drop of blood, it's an ecosystem. Yes. Yeah.
And then to see how it changes over time, how it's just, you just have to come and experience it. That's all I could say. I love this place. I love this man. I love everybody here. It's just angels in this place. Come and be blessed.
You can't top that. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Take charge of your own health.